The next time you're outside, you can have music and ambiance with this. And me. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Hey, I like being outside, listening to some music. Oh man, my country music, and sitting around with some friends, having a little twinkly lights and some sparkling champagne, or sparkling wine if you aren't getting it actually from the Champagne region, which a lot of people like to correct you when you say champagne and it's not really champagne, which is super annoying. But what I wanted to do is I wanted to see if I could find a device that would deliver me music and ambiance in one package, and I found these. These are NUNET outdoor flame speakers, and I am super excited about it because a lot of times you don't want to fire up a lantern or something like that, but just have a little bit of that warm flicker, give yourself the light. Oh, they look nice, man. You know, I was wondering what the construction would be. They are plastic, they're black plastic, but man, they have this nice organic web pattern on the outside. You can see the light in there. They're not super heavy, but they have a little weight, a rubber bottom right there, and then looks like a 1/4-inch screw hole there, so you could mount these on a post. You get a lot of them, set them up like torches around your patio. What we have up here is a little handle. You can see it pivots down and sits nice and flush there. Then we have a rubber pad up here with the controls on it. So we have power and play and volume up and volume down, and then we have the light button right in there. We also have this nice little silver ring on there. It looks quite nice in the other speaker. And what we also get are a bunch of these poles. So I want to show you how you can set this up so it's surrounding you, enveloping in you, wrapping you up in all that warmth and goodness. So it comes with 2 spikes for these poles, 2 for each lantern, and then 2 of these little hooks here. And what you can do is you can connect all these together, put this in the ground, and like I said, not like torches, but like hanging lanterns around your patio. How nice would that be? They will stand about 3 feet tall here, but once you get this in the ground just like this, now you can take this handle, flip it up, hang it from there, and how nice does that look, huh? So what I want to do here is get these charged up. There's a little rubber door on the back where we will be able to charge those up. It does come with USB-A to USB-C cords right there. So I'm going to get them paired to my phone, and then we're going to see if the light and the music puts me in the mood. All right, so I've been playing around with these, and they are impressing me more and more. First of all, did go ahead and charge them up fully and paired my phone to them. And basically, they sound great. They are loud. I'm going to give you a little demo of that here in a second. But one of the things that I really love about this, it's like Apple thoughtfulness, is you power this guy on, and I paired it, and then I was like, man, I wonder how I pair them together. Maybe I have to do it twice, but once one is on and you turn the other one on, it finds the other one. Look at that. So they find each other, which is awesome. All right, now you're wondering about them lights. So button right up here, I can turn it on and you get that flickering. Oh man, how nice is that, right? Just sitting out here, flickering lights, put them on the table in front of you, between you, you know, put them around you on those stakes. Have a nice little evening out with your friends. Oh, the ambiance. But hey, if that's driving you crazy, that flickering is driving you a little batty, just hit it again and we'll just go to a solid warm light. Look at that. Beautiful. Looks like they're flickering on the camera. Just a refresh rate. They are just solid and like an orange warm. Not a bright warm at all. But to be honest, I like the flickering. Looks like candles kind of dance. Ah, that orange yellow light. It's so soothing. You could use these indoors because honestly, it gives you a little bit of that atmosphere, that romantic atmosphere that I know nothing about. All right, what do these things sound like? Let me give you a little demo. I don't know how recording sound on another phone off of speakers is going to come across, but I'm going to demo it anyway. All right, got the speaker set up outside here. It's a nice fall afternoon, and I think this is kind of what these are designed for. You want to spend a little time outside in nature, enjoying it. Just a peaceful, relaxing afternoon. Maybe crack open a nice box of wine or open up your favorite plastic bottle of alcohol, whatever it might be. You know, just have a classy afternoon to yourself. And these lights do that. Now, I will say the light seems to look like it is kind of strobing a little bit in the camera, but right now it's just flickering. It looks like a flickering flame. So it's a really nice look. And like I said, you can put these on stakes if you want. But obviously you want to play your music too, and that's what I wanted to show you. So I've got my Amazon Fire Pad here and a YouTube channel pulled up, and I thought we would just go ahead and hit the play button and see what the music sounds like, because it can get very loud and it can get very soft, but it sounds great. You're probably not going to be able to hear me. I'm just going to crank this a little bit here. Oh yeah. Dude, that's pretty loud. In fact, I feel like if I keep playing this, if I feel like I keep playing this that loud, the neighbor's going to come over and start hanging out. You know, someone's going to come over with some steaks. Someone's going to bring a 6-pack Natty Light or something like that, and we're just going to have a party out here. And if that's what you're going for, then I would suggest picking up a set of these NUNET outdoor flickering speaker lights, because they are awesome. And now, sit back, relax, and enjoy the music. But if you want to have this experience, I'll put a link to these in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.